The Yuesstloo Engine Camshaft Timing Locking Toolkit is a highly useful tool designed to check and lock the camshaft of petrol injection engines, aiding in alignment of camshafts and adjustment of the crankshaft to the correct TDC position. This toolkit is compatible with a variety of vehicles, including the Jaguar Land Rover Evoque, Ford Mondeo 2.T engine, and a range of petrol engines such as the 2.0-liter Duratec-HE My4, 2.0-liter EcoBoost GTDI My4, and 2.0 ST EcoBoost GTDI. The kit can replace a number of OEM Equivalent Part Numbers, including 303-1600, 303-748, 303-594, 303-1595, 303-521, and 303-1504, and works on engine codes such as TNWA, TNWB, TPWA, TNBA, MGDA, and XQDA. The camshaft timing tool itself is made of high-quality steel coated with a black antioxidant layer for extended durability, and the entire kit comes in a portable heavy-duty case for easy transport and organization. In addition to the toolkit, a pair of gloves is included for use when handling the tools, adding a layer of convenience and safety to the operation. Yuesstloo places a high value on customer satisfaction, offering assistance and solutions in case of issues with the toolkit, demonstrating their commitment to quality and service.